Alrighty. What are we doing? Let's see. Let's reload. Let's do a. Okay, let's see. I don't want to sign in, bro. We don't want to sign in. Makes sense. It's been a while since I've done any of this, so let's. I actually forgot my password and stuff. We'll see. We shall see. Forgot my username, forgot my password. Let's see. No, I got it. Nice. Let's do. It's been a while since I programmed. Let's see. We'll depending on what the daily is. We'll do a daily. Come on, keep it a buck. It's looking like I'm not gonna do the daily, but we're gonna still check it out. We're gonna still check it out. Oh yeah, I gotta refresh. Nice. Do the daily. Nice. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. So let's. It's been a while since I've done Leetcode, and it's been a while. So don't set up sequences because I hate them. We'll try to go from there. Let's see. You're given a binary string. What does that mean? Just 1s and zeros, and a positive integer k. The return of the length of the log substance makes up a binary number less than or equal to k. See, because we want to at that point we want a lot of zeros in the front, right? The empty string considered to be equal to 0. Oh, an empty string. Okay, gotcha. So it's okay. So like an edge case. A subsequence is a string that can be derived from another string, but relating. Okay, right. Without changing the order. Less than or equal to. Okay. Right. I see. Oh, it could have been either or. Could have been either or. It could have been just 3010 or yeah. Right. The number can be 10 to the 9. Hey, co-tutor. What's up, mate? Hey, dude, it's been a while since I've streamed. So, yeah. And my, been itching to stream. So, here I am, brother. How's your life been since the last time we've talked? Hope you're doing well, dude. Yeah. I forgot you were there for that. She loves to do it in public, and she hasn't had the opportunity to hit me with a sock in public. So, no, unfortunately. Unfortunately, no. How does that grapefruit feel? What are you talking about? What are you talking? I'm not fully understanding that. Let's see. There's a couple thoughts in my head, but it's it gets kind of confusing. Cause so we have this like 001. Let's use the last one, right? Yeah, I guess K is equal to 1. We have to do some magic here. Because we're gonna have like a pointer. Right? And then we have like a total. It's like an odd Cadene's algorithm? But you wouldn't use that for here. Did she? Oh, right. She does have those like fruity socks. And I think the last one she wore was watermelon. Don't quote me on that. She just got them recently. She just got the socks recently, and she's been wearing them to work. Like, and she's been enjoying that. She's always just like showing up her socks. So I haven't gotten which fruits she has. I'm glad that you remember grapefruit, because I definitely did not remember grapefruit. I should remember, since she's been abusive with them. Hey, you have a good memory. I've been out of it. Okay, so cause like what I want to do is just like do 0 and then like you add to it, and then it's 0 again, and then you add to it, and then it's 1, and then you go to the next one and multiply it by 2. You do like a multiplication, and then you add. So it's like 2 times the total plus like a whatever the like 1 or 0, like whatever the index it is. Which in this case would be 2. Yeah. So if that's the case, then we want to do something with that and like reverse it back somehow, like with the digits. Yeah. Damn. You're definitely right on that. I do remember kiwi, watermelon, grapefruit. Yeah. This problem is goofy. I was just trying to get back into like my robot. I don't know if have you watched any of my streams when I was doing robotic algorithms in Rust. Because it's been a while since I've done that, like maybe like a month, Maybe more? I don't really know. But I need to get back into it and like have an MVP. A little bit? Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah, so we need to do something where it basically like you kind of just remove it. You remove the biggest one, I would assume. The biggest divisible by 2? Like some 2 to the n power? But how do you know what to remove, right? I mean, because ideally you just want all the leading zeros, but the issue with that is like, for an example, like, I don't know, like this. And then like k is equal to a bajillion. The longest number would be whatever this is. How many ones this is? Like 8 or 9, whatever this is. I don't know what it is. Because it's underneath this value. So you need to do like something to how do you so the question that I'm having, how do I remove like the biggest the leading 0? Yeah, how do I, or the leading 1? How do I remove the leading 1? And also keep track of the digits, right? Ooh, it's actually, might be onto something with that, right? Because then we can like do digits plus plus. And then if it ever goes above k, like if total is above k, then like and we definitely want to do digit minus minus, right? But then we want to do something with the total, right? We want to subtract it by the leading 0, but we just don't know the leading 0. I guess technically we would. Actually no. What's the 2 to the n? This place I do contracting for wants me to come twice a week because everything always breaks. And within one day, something broke. Oh, gotcha. So, have you been coming twice a week, or is it a recently introduced something thing that hasn't been implemented yet? Oh, you had an idea, but you shouldn't. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let me think. Yeah. Let me think. Because I would like to do the leading 0, right? But how do I know what the leading 0 is? Because my first thought would be, like for this one, I was thinking the leading 0 would be at the 4's place. Or I guess I should type it out, right? So I thought it would be like here, like, and I just remove a 4, right? Because this is 4. 4 plus 2 plus 1, right? But the issue is like, what if these were both zeros, right? So it's just 0, 0, 0. And you won't know. It won't go over it until you get to the, I guess the 8th place. Whatever you want to call it. 8 plus 0 plus 0. So I'm trying to figure out, because like if I can figure this out, then we're chilling, you know? Is there like a reverse power? Cause that would be like log base 2. Oh. So yeah, what's the log function? I never used the log function. Log function. Oh, what do you say yup to? Log function in C++. Yeah, I've never used a log function. Yeah, sure. Log 11. Is this log base 10? What is this? Oh, natural? No. It's log. I don't want natural logarithm 2 point whatever that is. Log 2. Wait, no. Yeah, I guess you could do that too. It's been a while since I've done log. Oh, interesting. Okay, I can do it this way. A102 has 100 instructions. I could see that. The robotic algorithms that I worked on, we didn't actually need to use log. Not that I can think of. We use a lot of we definitely use a lot of geometry and trigonometry with tangent and cosine, sine, and things like that. Right. I could definitely see it being in like a Taylor series. Yeah. That's probably the way to do it. Don't quote me on that. I don't know. I don't know anything about that. But I think we should be fine. I think it'll work out. Okay, yeah, so total is like so we need to let's calculate like total, like log to total and floor it. And whatever that is, val? No. Whatever that val is, what the? Whatever that value is like minus equal val. And I think this should work. I really do think this should work. And this is O of n solution. Disregarding this part at least. Since I don't know what's happening behind the head. I would assume this is a O of 1 solution. It might be, it might not be. But we'll work with it. We'll work with it. I think this is a pretty yeah. Let's do it that way. So okay. So we have n total is equal to 0. int digits is equal to 0. And then by the end of it, we want to return the digits. Oh, okay. So I thought your first comment about like log for CS is like how great it is. I thought you were referring to like logging your code in terms of like keeping a log, like a diary, and also logging in terms of knowing what your program's doing. But then your second comment, okay, I'm like, all right, you're actually talking about the mathematical formula. Yeah. So I think we can do this. So let's see, const char c and s. We'll do this, right? And we'll do total plus equal. Oh, right. Total is equal to 2 times total. If I can spell total, plus I know there's string to I. Is there? Like, I know stoy. That work for chars? That's fine. I'll just do this. It's not a huge deal. And then I'll do total, and then we'll do a ternary. C equal to 0? Question mark? This is how I think of ternaries. Oh yeah. Total equal to question mark. Yeah, plus equal, and then we want append. Does it equal to 0? Then actually we want this equal to 1. And then 1, and then if not, then you say 9, and then you give it a 0. Yeah, cool. Then we do digits plus plus. Right. Oh snap! Oh no! Okay, I need to. I don't know how many symbols you use, but maybe I need to be more relaxed on the on that. I'm not sure what you said, and hopefully you didn't say anything before then that I missed. Code tutor, sorry about that. If total is greater than k, then Twitch just freaked out. Oh, gotcha. Total is greater than k. Then we need to do digits minus for sure. Then we're gonna get this val. I guess I should have a const int. I guess it's not even an int. I guess it's we'll make it a float. I assume it will be a float. Is equal to I'll just call it L2. Stood. I've never used this before. Oh, they have a log2. I'll just use log2. Ah, shit. Is equal to log2. Yeah. did log 2 and they want a double. Okay. Total, right. And this will automatically floor it. Yeah, this will automatically floor it because it will downcast it to an integer. So we're chilling. It will implicitly cast it to an integer. Yeah. And I think that's it. Oh, I lied. I think this will work for these two tests, but it's actually I need to keep track of the maximum digits because yeah, I need to do the maximum digits. Yeah, okay, never mind. Oh, I did not like that. Okay. Let's figure that out. Okay. So let's do this and it's max digits. 0. And then we'll do max digits. We'll just do it max. Max digits. Digits. Let's see. I wonder if that will fix it. Didn't really run through it. Okay. So I'm off. Definitely off. Why am I off? Oh, I guess I could have just done if that's true or not. If it's true, then turn it into whatever. We definitely do digits minus minus, I would assume, right? Okay, so let's go through this logic, right? So we'll have digits. Let me see what's going on. We have total. Just go here, right? So for the first two right here, digits would just be 2, right? Chilling. And then this would be total would be 1, and digits would be 3. Then we get to here. Wait, the total would be 2. The digits is equal to 4. Then I need to check the val. Maybe I gotta check the val. Right? Maybe I need to check the val. So yeah, the total's 2. Ah! Oh, this is annoying. Can I just 2 val? Yeah. I'll do a explicit cast right here. I think that was the problem, maybe? Ah, there we go. Yeah. So this power. This figure subtracts to the n, which is the leading 0. Yeah. Okay. So I kind of worked through it because I was thinking in my head like, oh, maybe we didn't subtract right. Yeah. Ah, I see. I'm gonna check your pastebin in a second, and then I don't know what that ibb.co is. Assuming that this works. Let's go! Let's fucking go! I can solve medium still! Let's go! Oh yeah. Ha! That's so weird. Okay. Just clear all that. Clear all that. Ah, yeah. Let's go! I wonder what other people's solutions were. Let's see. What is this? Ah, I see. Okay, yeah, this gets converted to a. So this is what you typed, and then it didn't like you. Twitch didn't like you. Oh, that's stupid. Okay, I need to check stream elements and figure something out. Okay. And this is. Oh yeah. Once stream element said they didn't like you for that message, they don't like you, bro. That's for sure. What was the Leetcode daily question? What are other people's solutions? Oh, I'll get the editorial. What am I reading, bro? I have no idea what I'm reading right here. Ah, and then they do some bit thing. Ah. Oh, you could have done bit stuff. That's a better way. Cause on my screen, on my screen, it says stream elements timed out code tutor for 30 seconds. Reason too many symbols, automated by stream elements. Yeah. I don't know if you got that message as well. But yeah, sorry about that. Ah, yes. What the hell? They just literally... He just copied it. Bro, get shot. Anyway, I like my solution. It wasn't DP, but you know, I like it still. I don't think there was really need for DP. Like, I don't need to keep memory of all that. Well, I guess I might have, since I kept track of digits. But even then, dude, I don't know. Zeros are free, one are costly. Anyway, let's. We've done the daily. Oh, let's go, bro. It's getting closer. My mediums. I need to double it. I need double my mediums, so I have double the easies. And then let's see if we can at least triple the hards. We'll see on the hards. Anyway. Let's get into the projects. Yeah. Cause it's been a while for me. I actually don't know. Right. Let's see. Okay, let's do this. There's nothing to pull, but okay, let's run it. What did we? Ah, okay. This is what we ended up. Oh, I should have ended up on a better note. Right. I remember it now. I remember it. Unfortunately, I remember it. Hilarious. Here's my car simulator. This is when I try to add, not wheel slip, but I can't remember. Damn. Oh, we're about to come back onto the map, boy. We flying. We fly. Okay, now we're done. Okay, cool. We did something wrong. I can tell you that much. Not traction. It's basically traction, but I can't remember the name right now. It's basically when you model lateral dynamics of a vehicle. This is pissing me off. How I can't remember it. Let's start opening some stuff, right? We gotta get first sim for show. Alright, let's car setup for show. We'll edit anyway. Not wheel slip. What am I thinking of? I did do 80% of it with vibe coding. Some of it's like with me. Yeah. I did vibe code a bit. Yeah. My other one was just straight up me. That was horrendous. So let's yeah, I'm okay with not looking at that. We probably want to look at models, right? Is this not being used right now? There's no way. Actually, also, I don't know how to exit this specifically. Is this not? I thought, yeah, we included it. Why is it grayed out? Oh, it's because it's not getting tracked by Git. That's why. see. What is it called? Where? Cornering stiffness. That's what it's called. I could not remember that it was called cornering stiffness until right now. Yeah. Oh, really? I thought it would be good at like Excel macros. Like, I would think that it would be good at like the popular stuff. Like Python. I thought like Microsoft Word would be good at. Microsoft products, but we've been wrong before. Hey, be right back. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick. Oh, I should probably do this too. Okay. Yeah, maybe Copilot knows since it's Microsoft. Am I timing my turbo piece? No, I'm not timing my turbo. Okay, I'll just show it. Yeah, I'll just do it off of here. Let's see. So I've been working on like some content creator scripts to help like me edit my videos, but also publish them into any social media platform easily. And I can't really show it on here on Linux because I don't have like my video editor, DaVinci Resolve. So we're gonna get like a lot of errors right here with all like the API stuff. But the basic gist of it is like I want to be able to publish more on both YouTube and TikTok. I focus mostly on TikTok right now, like shorts, because getting that like workflow going would be like super nice. And yeah, I'm just gonna do a little plug. I think this is my name on TikTok. Right, yeah. So I actually uploaded this video. Can we pause it though? No. Yeah. Yeah, my name was taken, unfortunately. So let me actually. why is this here? Oh, yeah, let's quit you. So, what was I getting at? This was published, so I did some of the editing and whatnot, but like when I did the how do I say, like this helps me set up my editing environment where I can easily just edit this and then like do my voiceover. I need to turn off the music, right? And I did it all in like DaVinci Resolve. I did the description and also have like some default like hashtags and whatnot. So for instance, where's he at again? Oh yeah. Oh, we're not doing credentials. That's for show. Where's it at? Oh yeah, content builders. So these are like my base hashtags, and then also like my climbing hashtags. Just did some random ones. All right, it's not technically random, but yeah, and it like uploads it automatically right when I'm like done editing. It renders it and it uploads to the like social media that I want. Yeah, so I was able to do this all in DaVinci Resolve. It was able to like do something called smart reframe. So I had this horizontal climbing clip, and then it was able to like focus on me. And sometimes it's like pretty shit, so I have to redo it. But to be honest, it does a pretty decent job ever so often. So yeah, this is all right. Let's see. On a overhang, so we had to jump a little bit backwards and up to grab 2 good holds, and then afterwards a bunch of heel hooks ever so often just to get the footwork going. But when I was climbing this, I had terrible footwork. But anyway, I hope everyone. That's the general gist. So that's like for like shorts, right? And then I just created a YouTube channel. Oh yeah, nice. I don't really have to do much. It's just like of my VODs, right? And the cool part about this is like when I'm done with my stream, I can just automatically upload this to YouTube without like dual streaming. I could just stream on both and it will automatically do it, but I kind of don't want to do that. And yeah, so what I want to do would be like create chapters. So if I was doing like this Leetcode one, right, I would like a chapter of like me doing my first problem right here, and then I don't know when I finish it, but yeah, I finish it right here. So I say like, oh, now I'm doing problem number 2 or something, right? And then I'm doing problem number 3 right here. So yeah, and I could do this on like in the like Twitch chat marking, like with like the marker thing. But sometimes my like right now my OBS, like I can't type into chat, which gets like really annoying and whatnot. So instead I'm doing it in here, and it just basically keeps track of like all my. Oh yeah, I need to delete these. Interesting. I don't know why there's 2 of these. But anyway. I see why. This will just keep the markers down, and then also whenever I video edit in like DaVinci Resolve, it like because I have a script that will automatically put it into a certain like template for me. I can easily see the markings, and like if I want to make smaller videos, I can easily do that. Also I had a typo. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. There's a couple other things that are like pretty cool about it, but it's like in the beginning stage. It's like very fragile, very brittle in like how things work. But for the most part, like if you do the things that I said to do, then you should be pretty chill. But yeah, that's the general gist. So I'm just like marking what I'm doing during the stream, just so it's easier to edit later, and also like have chapters for those like VOD streams. Did that make sense? There's a couple manual works that I have to do. I do want to make this a little bit AI like, in terms of like being able to like see if there's like a hype stream. Automated what exactly? Because I automated everything after I'm done editing. Like it just publishes and then like I'm chilling. I haven't like matched up with the like YouTube short yet, but everything else is pretty chill. I'm gonna go through like Instagram, things like that. This is running through some code. This is running through Python code. Like I could create an alias, or I could create a short key to do this, right? Like mark Leetcode question, right? And then I could put that into a hotkey or some kind, right? If I had like a string deck, then it'd be chill. But yeah, yeah. Right. I forgot what I did wrong. Yeah. Because for sim now we have. Oh my God, there's so much going on. We should have, yeah, Avion. I might need to do this offline so I can remember what the hell happened. Yeah. Yeah. I could have some hotkeys for like for peeing. Yeah, I could definitely do that. Yeah. And then connecting to like the OBS API. There's a lot of things I could do better at. I mean, I didn't work for it for too long. Well, I guess I have been working on it for a while, but it's just one step at a time. Where I like, after going through like the video editing process and things like that, like what are my pain points, and then like how can I improve on that, right? Right now it's like very early work. Gotta get through the framework. Gotta go be able to upload my videos onto the platforms that I'm on and go from there, right? So. Sorry. I'm so shy. Right. But yeah, I like the project. I like the project at least. I don't know how you feel about it. Ah, nice. What was the last thing I asked? Did I pass what I asked, bro? Ah, nice. Okay, so I did say it. Cool. Because that is what is happening right now. right? Cool. That got saved. Because like, a lot of my chats did not get saved. Hilarious. Hey, Jeter! Long time no see, pal. Dude, Code Tutor, I don't need your backhanded... your sarcastic compliments, bro. I know it's trash. Jeter, dude, how you been, man? I said this last time. You didn't respond. I need a response now. I need some life updates, especially since it's been, I don't know, 2-3 months. I actually don't know how long it's been, but it's been a long time since we've vibed out, brother. A lot has changed. I'm a NeoVim god. No, I'm not. I fucking suck. So what? Also, I am a classified vibe coder. What are we doing here? What is all this? What are you trying to do? Hell easy. Did you hear back any good news? I've been wondering. Also, you've been ignoring me. What's up with that? Huh? I thought we were cool. Oh, do you want me to bring Vivian here? I was talking about how you hate me. Oh shit! Can you send me the repo again? I'm doing everything but going back to my Robotics project because I haven't touched this in like a month. Dude, I have no idea. Oh man, I should have fixed this when I was in the weeds. Okay. I need to work on a project and make sure it's at a good state. If it's at a good state, then I can go on to something else and then come back to it later. But if it's not in a good state, I can't leave it. I cannot leave it because then when I come back, I don't know what the fuck is going on. Oh my god, bro. I do remember this. You have to. There's a force and torque to make it spin and shit. But it's been spinning so much, bro. I see. Okay, that'd be dope. Would you be down to do a co-op? Like skip a semester basically. Yeah, G, what was the GitHub repo again? I just remember Bang. That's all I remember. Bang. I think it was Geeter. Dude, I'm the best, bro. Oh, wait, what? Did you... Is this private? Is this private now? Did you private this? Bro. There's like no language. Yeah, I'll be down to show. Do I recommend using Brave? I've been having a chill time using it. I just wanted to get away from Google Chrome and like other sources. Brave does have its history of cheating their clients, but I liked a lot of their settings and whatnot. And I honestly just use like ChatGPT. Like, what are like Brave browser to keep my privacy, right? And they give you like a whole bunch of steps, right? And I just followed this straight up. I just literally followed this and it was chilling. I also like removed like they had like ads on here, like they're like Brave AI ads, which was hella annoying because that's like on by default. But like I'm not sure if this told me to do that, but whenever I did use ChatGPT for this, I just follow step by step, bam, enable, disabled, enable, disabled. Okay, let me find something else, disable. Okay, things like that. One thing that I did that was kind of annoying though was also one thing that I did that was kind of annoying. I have to re-log in every time like I close it and whatnot because it doesn't remember what I did, like because I removed the cache and things like that. Which could be a pro and a con, like things like that. But I might go back into doing all that. And I guess I start using DuckDuckGo. I don't really notice a difference between my experience with using like a search engine because I try not to use like AIs as much. But yeah. Oh, you're on Brave too? Oh, hell yeah, Jeter. Yeah, so like this is, I find success in doing this, switching from Chrome. Like I was pretty chill with it because I was like restarting my whole operating system. And then my keyboard sounds good. Yeah, it's a Keychron Q1 Pro, I believe. I got it on Kickstarter actually when they first released it. I feel like a walking ad right now. I straight up feel like an ad. I think it's the version 2. Give me a second to look at it. Yeah, because I got the knob one. Yeah, it's definitely it. But I think back then they had different like color waves. Yeah, I think mine's a Pro. Is it this one? I think it was this one. Ah, yeah, it's this one. It's the exact same one, actually. Yeah. Yeah, this one. It's pretty heavy. Yeah, well, it's sold out. Damn. And I'm pretty sure I got it for cheaper than this. Since it was on a Kickstarter. I waited a while, so yeah. This was mine. What in the world is that mark thing? Oh, the mark thing? I'm just like, I'm basically putting like tabs on like when I do stuff, just so like later on I can easily like edit the video. Oh, you have one too? You have the exact same keyboard, or do you do you have a different like key cron? Yeah. Oh, I can do sales for shit. Funny enough, I am actually not in the tech field, unfortunately, right now. I am unfortunately unemployed. Ah, I see. I'm pretty sure I used red. I think I have red switches. I forgot which ones I got. Yeah. Don't quote me on that though. I want to quote me on which ones. But knowing me, I probably got the red ones. Yeah. Anyway. Do you know? Yeah. Ah, I see. Do you like the crunchier ones? Like some people like the quieter ones. To be honest, I'm very indifferent. I don't care about it too much. Hey Jeter, let me know whenever you're up to this. I would love to look at your programming language. Hopefully you're still here. Yeah. I hope you've been having a great day, Sophia. Cause I've been chilling, been pretty much chilling, like a villain. So my girlfriend walked in and she is just standing. She's standing like the emoji, bro. Just walked, and she put all this stuff in my on my desk.
He said hit him.
Oh, it's because you hit me last time with the grapefruit sauce.
Oh, I left it downstairs. Oh, I have my peach one though.
No, do not come here and do that.
But your fans told you.
I don't stop.
Told you. Can I just
No.
you? He said peach. It was peach. No, it was grapefruit. Was it the grapefruit one?
I thought it was grapefruit. He remembered it as grapefruit.
Yeah.
It was peach.
It was not peach. This is just the one pair I haven't worn. I think this is the one pair I haven't worn. I wanted to wear this one today, but I couldn't find it.
But yeah, Sophia, if you're still there, this is my car simulator project.
Why is it like that?
Cause it's broken.
It's giving me vertigo.
You fix it to break it, and then you fix it again to change one line of code to break it. And now I don't know how to fix it. Oh, look! See, look, we're good, guys. We're good. Look.
Oh my God, he remembered grapefruit, kiwi, watermelon, cherry, peach.
Yeah, we were talking about it earlier.
Why are you talking about it already?
Cause you said grapefruit.
Oh.
Is your girlfriend still beating you with grapefruit, bro?
Jeter's here.
Oh yeah. I was gonna call you up. I was like, Jeter, do you want me to bring up Vivian?
I was on a phone call forever.
And he didn't say anything, bro.
That's fucked up.
He didn't say anything. I was like,
Damn, that was a 2-hour phone call?
yep.
No, it was more. It's 1.
Oh wow.
At 2:20. I mean, at 9:20. That was like a 3.5-hour phone call.
You need to learn how to put things in folders, Jeter. That's one thing I will say.
I need to charge my phone.
You need to put things in folders.
Dude, I remember having this one on FaceTime. And so long.
I love this main. I love the main, bro.
I was supposed to go to the gym. I didn't think she was gonna call me. That was so random.
We just want tofu and beatings.
Well, you won't let me.
Who lets people get beat, bro? Hey, beat my ass up, please. Come
I don't want tofu.
You had tofu all downstairs.
No, he's sleeping in his bed. Boring.
Oh, and push-ups. I'll do push-ups if other people will tell me to do push-ups, aka the classics,
Do push-ups.
the classical people.
So I'm not classical now?
I mean, you don't show up to my streams.
I used to. I do show up to your streams.
When?
Right now. I'm showing
No.
up.
It's not ticked.
So sorry that I don't have time when I'm at work.
Oh yes, let me.
Hey, Tofu. You don't want to hold him? Look, he's holding on to you.
Because that's the ground, bro. That's his ground. Yes, sir, King. Ooh. Yes, sir.
You know, it'd be funny if you like slam his paws on the thing and then he fixes your code.
I don't think that's how it works.
How do you know? You could try.
What should I? Well, okay. I guess I start with main. If I usually do things, I start with main. Okay, and then you create.
Are you a coder now? See? He says that's definitely how it works. I like this one. He's a cool one.
Who?
She's a cool one. He?
Who?
She?
Code tutor?
Yeah.
Code tutor? Yeah. It's because everything benefits you when he's talking. You beat my ass up. I do the push-ups. What? It just sounds like he wants to torture me. Tofu! Tofu!
Oh
Tofu!
Aww.
Tofu!
Aww.
Tofu! Look at the camera.
Tofu, look up here. Up here. Up here. Over here. Over here. Tofu. Aww.
You wanna kiss me? Tofu! Oh
Aww.
shit. Going.
Hi.
A little full screen.
My bed's downstairs. I forgot. But
Tofu! Tofu!
Tofu, come here. Look over here. Over here.
Cutie patote!
Look over here.
Chote patote!
Oh, he's so cute.
Patote!
Dito. Kaya dito.
Yes,
Over
sir,
here.
King.
Tofu. Dito. Dito. Lala. Dito. Do you get Tofu any cool toys?
Dude, he don't like toys, bro.
Yeah, he does.
We give him toys, he sniffs it and then walks away.
Oh, except he likes his
Oh, squeaky?
yeah.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's like a. It's not a
What
possum.
animal?
It's a.
Squirrel?
Yeah,
No.
I guess. I don't know.
No, Sammy had the squirrel.
Either way, he likes the squeaky animal one, and he like softly bites it. Like he just puts it in his mouth. He just barely puts it in his mouth.
But he makes like the most like aggressive face.
On the zoomed in camera. There's no zoomed in camera, bro. What are you doing?
Maybe he means like this.
And just the camera?
Oh. Thanks, Jeter.
Dude, what's up with the... Why don't I get the same compliments as her? Huh? Riddle me that, Jeter. What's going on? Oh, thanks, Go Tutor. See, you're trying to get on our good side. That's what's up. Because you got on her good side. Now you're trying to get on my good side. Keep it that way. All right. Stop promoting beatings. We don't promote that in this channel.
We promote some mirror beatings. Bro, these pants are so big. What the fuck? I need new scrub pants. are not working.
Oh, when are you gonna go tomorrow?
I have no idea.
Mm.
Well, Swanee also never like messaged.
Mm.
But moderate. You what?
So basically, I have stream elements. And it's like an auto moderator thing, and then he put like too many symbols in his message, and then stream elements just said time out. Time out.
Like put him in a timeout?
Yeah, he put him for timeout for 30 seconds.
Like what you did to that one guy? When he made me angry?
Oh yeah.
Like that?
Yeah, but that was manual.
Yeah,
This one was automatic.
Yeah. I know what you're talking about then. You know what sounds good tomorrow?
What?
Touch Bros.
Okay. You okay, Toby? You want to get off?
Come here. Come to mommy.
Wait, what? What are you saying? What for?
Dutch Bros.
Oh.
I love. Yeah, I love Dutch Bros.
Yeah. Like, two brothers?
Or Dutch.
German? You know what I mean?
You're not parted in the middle.
Like two sexy dudes. Anyway, let's look at.
I don't know what that is, but you dressed totally like Waldo. He honestly, I've been wearing this for a long time. It's kind of gross. I need to really wash him. He needs a haircut too. You need a haircut. Your hair's getting long. Oh my shit.
What are you doing?
I think I pressed on a little pressure spot back.
What are you doing? Stop!
Sorry.
Stop hurting my son.
Ew, he looked like in my mouth. That was gross. Tofu, sorry. I'm so sorry. I don't even think I realized I was even pressing on something. You okay? I'm sorry. Do you want Waldo glasses? You kind of like, it sounded like you wailed when I said I need to bathe you.
I'm proud of you, Jeter.
What do you do?
He's growing as a software engineer.
He's growing.
He's growing taller.
He's growing. He's becoming a man. I'm proud of you, Dieter, too. You're growing up.
You dress Tofu like Waldo.
Baby,
It's a shirt, bro. It's a shirt.
He is a towering giant. Jeter, how tall is Jeter?
He said he's 6 foot. Dude, architecture is divine. You're right. Yeah, that's the one thing about like programming, right? Especially like starting off. Your first run around is gonna be pretty shit because you're just trying to figure out the functionality of things. And then once you got the functionality working, then you start getting to like how do you structure your repo or your project, right? And you're doing a better job structuring your project. I'd recommend getting some folders in there and like separating things, but that's just over time.
I'll go shower.
Okay.
Is the shelf still alive?
Yeah.
I'm a little scared. Because some of my face washes are glass.
Right.
So they fall.
Last time I checked, it was good.
I'm gonna cry. I mean, if you didn't hear a bang, then we're good.
Mm-hmm.
I hope you didn't hear a bang and ignored it.
I didn't hear a bang, but doesn't mean there wasn't a bang.
It'd be a loud bang if you hear if you're home. But I won't lie, I've heard a big bang before, and I'm like, and then I keep watching TV.
Let's go by this. So you got your Lexer. Puts in the tokens. Ah, I see. Oop. Got used to. I see. Hmm. Also, what's up with this like unnecessary spaces? Yeah, it's nice. It's nice to be able to go through each step. Have you ever tried logging? Like import logging? I like it. Hey, Jay Spiffy. Long time no see, brother. I have done everything but my robotics project in the past hour and 20. Even going with some tests. My boy Jeter. I thought I would never see the day. Alright, so let's look at the tokenizer. Right. Oh my god. It is not equal to Sentinel. Right? Cool. Interesting. Have you gotten better at using strings, Jeter? I feel like you should be good at all the string Leetcode questions. Yeah, you need to use a black formatter, bro. I like it. I'm pretty sure it's PEP 8 certified. I am making cars fly. I can show you. It's actually kind of embarrassing. It's supposed to be a car simulator. But I left it pretty bad. It's technically supposed to be a robotics simulator, but right now I'm working with the vehicle being a car. So what happens is it sucks. Yeah. So I'm like introducing physics into this instead of like my own physics, like collision, things like that. So what happens is when I did that and updated the code tremendously is this thing. This thing right here. Whatever you want to call it, this helicopter. I don't know if it's falling or flying right now. That's the scariest part about this. It could be everything and nothing at the same time. So yeah. So that's where I'm at, and I probably should do this offline since I haven't worked in this code base in a while. It's been a minute, so I'll probably do it offline because it's a lot. Oh, you do admin of code? Nice. With string minute? Oh, that's nice. Dude, I wish C++ has something like the join function in Python. Because I realized that would make my life a little bit easier. A lot easier for like some of these like string questions. You made AI more clever with a framework? Ah, so if people have like a very detailed README, you try to reverse, I guess technically reverse engineer. Given a README, can you create the code that does the things that were just stated? Right. Is that what it is? It's a big task for some like mono repos, I'll say. But yeah, I feel like you would be, since you like, I feel like those like string manipulation questions is like child's play. Well, I won't say child's play because you still have to like learn like a couple like crazy algorithms. Like what is it? Like Kemp? What's this one? Kemp? Like string algorithm. Oh, KMP. That's what I'm referring to. So I don't know if it's a crazy algorithm, but to me, as someone who's never done it, I don't. Yeah. It's crazy to me since I don't know it. So, could you? Hey, man, I have not taken a. What? I haven't taken a algorithms course. Data structure algorithms. Can I not know algorithms, man? Like on the top of my head. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. How big was the app? J Spiffy. I'm self-taught. Oh, you're self-taught. Gotcha. Yeah, same, brother. Well, I don't want to say I'm self-taught because I did watch YouTube videos and it's kind of messed up saying I didn't like learn from them, right? So the Lexer, it puts everything to tokens, right? So one thing I'm confused about, you have this tokenizer, right? So you have the tokens. Why do you need the file still? for this expression parser to like actually like understand all the expressions. Why do you need the file as well? When you have the tokens, what do you do with the original file? Oh, the files for error reporting. I gotcha. That's your logging, in a sense, right? Is your saved logging file. No. Oh, I guess those are your logs. I see. So everything it uses is just tokens then. Do you know what they do in Python that represents it to be quote unquote a private function? Like nothing's really private in Python, but do you know how they signal to other users that this is supposed to be private? Ah, I see. Dude, that's dope. That you carry out metadata to also help out with the user knowing where all that stuff is. Yeah, there's nothing private in Python. There's no private functions, but there is like syntactical something that you do with your syntax to tell other people that like this is your API, right? So for instance, like if I want to say that I don't know, this is a public function for this class right here. I'll leave it as is, but people do things in front. Nah. So what people do is add an underscore. They just literally add an underscore at the beginning. This is, as far as I know it. Oh shit! What happened? Pretty sure, right? Let's see what Stack Overflow says. Yeah. It's a weak internal use, aka private. But yeah. Alright. So there's only one. Just say like this is only supposed to be used inside, yeah. Right, yeah. Yeah, weak internal use, because there's no such thing as a private function in Python, as far as I know. Like I'm not an expert by any means, but yeah, you don't. Oh, actually, this is actually something I did not know. Oh, that's crazy, actually. That's cool. That's actually cool to know. That it doesn't import those private functions. Oh, that's cool. But yeah, that's like just something to like add if you meant for something to be private. It just tells other users that it's not meant to be used otherwise. When do you do the semantics? Right. Let's look into it. Oh, thanks for the follow, Shishi Thrash. Really appreciate it. Oh, you're making a language? Okay, I have a confession. This is not my language. This is one of my other viewers' language, Jeter. He knows a lot more than me, so I don't know much about like interpreters, compilers, and like when I have like watched videos about it and like creating things like tokens, but like all this is like kind of beyond me, to be honest. Yeah. What's your programming language called? Shushi? Yeah. I see. Oh, that's crazy. You have all these, like, how do you... to run through all those semantics? All these blocks, right? Does the control flow parser, does this create a tree? I'm kind of ignorant to all this, so like, please forgive me. A parse tree? I kind of assumed it was a tree of some kind. Oop, that's not what I meant to do. Or syntax tree, gotcha. I'm assuming it's just not one letter. Alright. See. Oh, flamingo, gotcha. The AI writes language I need. I just think of logic. Yeah. You gonna work on your own OS? Ah, shit. That's hard to do, bro. Especially, it's hard to test as well. I would assume so. I've yet to create my own operating system, which I don't really plan on doing. But that's a big project, man. The big three: Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. You got years, bro. Yeah, every parser more or less just creates certain trees. Yeah, especially a list where each node is the root. Yeah, you can think of it as a tree, but it's essentially a list where each node is the root of a tree after control flow. You're gonna start researching it now? Oh, okay. I like how you've progressed from like doing like text to speech, speech to text, like projects, into like other realms as well, like operating systems and things like that. That's like really like core computer science stuff. Flamingo. That's a cool name. I like the name. Interesting. Oh, okay. Oh, I thought this was like part of the language. Let's see. Got some examples. Standard. Oh, interesting. And then you say, look at your... the grammar. Oh, something happened here. That was a weird thing. I could see the tree. Where's the tree? Am I looking? Let's see. Yeah, I think I would get as far as that, bro. Just loading the screen. Oh, these are the nodes, right. And then you can make some more nodes off of that, right? I thought I was gonna see an actual tree. Maybe because I misread your statement. Oh, I see the tree nodes. Okay, yeah. I did misread. I thought it was an example of a tree. Yeah, gotcha. Yeah. Let's see. Think of it as a list. Let me see Jeter's message again. So you can, which node is the root of a tree after the control flow? I'm gonna give it a buck, dog. Right. I think we touched on this a little bit, Jeter. I see. I see. That's crazy. Okay. All right, and you remove it for trying to convert it to machine code. Compilers are crazy, I'll say, or just language, like programming languages, making it. Ah, trying to get to the abstract tree. Syntax tree. Ah, I see. Bam, 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 bam. But why JavaScript? That's the main question. Why JavaScript? All these declarations. I see. So each one is a node. I see what he's saying now. And it just has like all these instructions afterwards. This is basically what he means. But this is like, so yeah, this is a root. And then you have all your subtrees in it, right? And each one has a subtree. This is a subtree of the body. I think that's what Jeter was getting at least. This is what I'm taking away from it. Not necessarily. No way. Yeah. It's crazy.
Is this in your room? Or here?
Why are you putting it in my face like that?
Sorry.
You could just...
Is it?
Huh? Is this
It
from...
was on his mouth.
Oh, it was on my side. Yeah, this was from the boot.
I was like, what did he have in his mouth? And it was like stuck with this.
Mm.
I was like, what the fuck did he eat?
That's crazy.
I was worried.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna call it a good night. We got a lot of robotics done tonight. No robotics was done today at all, unfortunately. But hopefully next time I'll do it. Yeah. Peach sock. Yep. She left it on my desk too. Anyway. Yeah, have a good night, Jeter. It was nice seeing you, man. Hopefully we can see each other later, more often. Yeah. Anyway, hope everyone has a great night. Peace out, Girl Scouts.